Okay, guys, introduce yourself.
My name is Dot, and I'll be playing Juliet.
I'm Dash, and I'm going to be playing Romeo.
What's your favorite part?
My favorite part are the costumes, but I don't understand half of what I'm saying.
I guess the story, but hey, check out my cape.
Oh, Romeo, Romeo, wherefore art thou Romeo? Deny thy father and refuse thy name. Or if thou wilt not, be but sworn my love, and I'll no longer be a Capulet.
Shall I hear more, or shall I speak at this?
'Tis but thy name that is mine enemy.
Call me but love, and I'll be new baptized. Henceforth, I never will be Romeo.
What man art thou that does this green night, so stumblest on my counsel?
My name, dear saint, is hateful to myself, because it is an enemy to thee.
Art thou not Romeo and a Montague?
Neither fair maid, if either thee dislike.